Morning. Before me start introducing to everything I go on and showing you all work, watch me. We'll be right back after these messages. Ding.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.
Good morning. Chaman. Cool now, man. YouTube! Big up all of who tune in, big up everybody. You don't know it's a boy, Roy. Anyway, here we are going now. Today, in the morning now, just I got kick off the Gideon, you get me I say? So, they're in Canada right now, but they're the company, you know what I mean, in Nova Scotia. And, I go drive off. Any minute now, I go pre-trip my truck. You know, I go do my logbook. I go and look a fast preview of the logbook situation and walk around my truck, make sure everything alright. Check my oil, check my tire, check my brake them. You don't know, outside cold still, you know. But we have to do all of that because of safety first, you know what I mean? Then I pick up my trailer from inside and then on my way to a place called PEI, we cross the water, 1 8-mile bridge, we go across the water and everything there, and pick up the load right there, so, and then I go New Jersey in the state, you see me I say. So, you don't know, we are the road, you know what I mean, but first, I go show on the inside of my truck, you know what I mean, how I prepare myself, well, I shall show you from my house day, but the next day, okay, you don't know, we go there, we are link, or one link, you know. So anyway, I go show you how I prepare myself, like when me, you know, reach our work with my luggage and thing, which I never said when I come out of the car, but I don't know what to hold the camera and this and camera and that and you know what I mean, but we are going to do the thing, we are do it right, you know what I mean, we are stay tuned, okay, don't know, we keep the thing vibes, you know, we can't just boring up the thing, you know, you see me, so we have to do the thing, you understand, anyway, we go turn around the camera so I can view when me a view and understand what me a say, you see me I say,
never give me this man. The man got me no deserve this. If me the lobster would hurt.
Journey just begun. So right now on my way I go PEI. Pick up a load from PEI and then off to New Jersey.
What's going on? You know it's learning.
so I reach basically. So this is the place over there. Yes, YouTube. Alright. I reach a PEI. Just come across the bridge a while ago. I don't know I'm reaching. I pick up off at 6 o'clock. There from 5:30. It's about basically 3.5 hours of driving from office. So I leave office from 1 o'clock. So I just reach here. You know what I mean? So actually at the building right now. I'm carrying paperwork some and the number and thing, and I'm about to get my load in a minute now, so I'm actually park up and wait. So in front of me I have the mega load and some other company trailer and the bay. So I'm just wait until my turn, and then I already drive 3.5 hours out of my time already. So I only have, well, in Canada I only have like 9.5 hour leave to drive, and if I the States with it, I only would have 7 hour leave, because you only can drive 11 hours in the US and 13 hours in Canada. So you know, so I go by the rules of safety, you know. So yes, we throw in back as soon as we get load, and then you don't know, we have the road again. Yes, big up. Alright, here you go now. Just done get load. You understand me I say? So right now I'm going to take on the journey. My brother Sharpman just forward to work at the same company. I never see him all long now. So I say, oh, I lack of a life. I never got to me a video. But anyway, I'm going to leave off now. Go one truck stop about 4 hours away from here, so called Woodstock. You know what I mean? So I leave from PEI, I go Woodstock. And then we go Woodstock now. We link up again and go on easy yourself. So tune in on the road. I'll leave out there. Yes, reach a Woodstock now. You know what time morning, you know? Yeah, 3 o'clock in the morning. So I say, just reach a place called Woodstock. So basically I'm still in Canada, Woodstock. So I'm gonna take what 10 hours off right now. Not the bed. You don't know I go to sleep and everything. You see me? Last time I take 10 hours off now, then we can go across the border. If we're going to the States, you see it? So right now, morning I get up on fuel, organize myself, and roll out. You see me I say? So right now we're going to lock it down. Jump na my dive on, you see me I say? And go and hold it, you see it? So you don't know.
Psalm 41 and verse 11. By this I know that you favored me, O God, for you never allowed my enemies to triumph over me. Hallelujah. You make me stronger. Oh.
Oh, and you can't see me. Yeah, You know, so I'm gonna draw my curtain at the early morning. Just away. Morning, yo, morning. Just away. Don't know around what 10 o'clock in the morning. You see me, I say, we'll take on a journey, you know. You see it? Just come out. So you draw the curtain outside, look. Like say, man, hey, if you don't draw the curtain, you know, wake it up. I tell you, look, if you don't draw the curtain, when this drawing up, round the dark, come like a night. You see me, if you don't draw the curtain, you're not gonna know, you see it. I go and use my bridge and Sharpman beside of me. I know Sharpman, I go on the way. I go link him up now in Chuck still. You see me, I park side of me, I come park side of me, if I know some video, man. You see it? So you don't know, yo. John knows time. I go for my paperwork. Paperwork supposed to fuck him up for a little driver launch thing there with them, you know. Fuck the paperwork if we go across the body, you see me? So you don't know. If you don't want to know me, I put on my shoes, because you can't walk on the carpet. The shoes you walk outside, you can't leave the carpet and go in at the back with it, you know. No, I don't say it work. Rules in the truck, you see me? And you have a passenger rules too, you see? When the passenger come in the truck, them shoes have to leave right at the carpet, the mat, and take off your shoes and walk in your sock, you know, the all ear. You see me? You have to do the thing like cleansing it. You know the thing, You see me? You don't know you have to represent, you know. Represent! Oh, I'm doing it. Hey, you have all the vibes in here alone, you know. Can't tell you this here. You can't too boring up yourself and go on like say, yo. You see me? Yeah, man. So, I'm going to link up Bridget Sharpman over there, so. Hold on. Let me go to see what I got. Hold on. Sharpman! Sharpman not here, man. Hold on. Sharpman not here, mister. I come out there, check, I'm going to link him. Me and him. No boy sharp. Things. Hold on there. No, sir. No. I saw what they call. Papa Jesus. No, hold on there. No. Hey, when you see me lock back the door a while ago, man, me, you must be mad. Me no, sir, yeah, me put on something. No, me not fool. Yeah, go in my closet now and take out me. You know? It's come like one beer, but me and you say, oh, what going daddy? No, that's not right. Don't be if you call me, father. What me I go with? Put on my headset, you know, so you can hear me clear. You see me? See, you know, the big bad headset, you know. You see me? Blue Parrot. Or on yourself. Me make you know what go on. No truck nice, no truck engine and them something you don't really hear. But if you hear the breeze still, you don't know nothing really can stop the breeze. You know, the breeze is the breeze. Mic check. When I hear me. Mic check. 1 5 1 5 9 10. Hold on, put on me. Yeah. Hey, when I put on this, you know, I'm telling you, you know. Joke thing, you know. Yeah, see me? Make sure say you close them right, you know, because if you're not right, you know, when the cold pass through, you know, brother. Here's it. Alright. Organize the thing. You don't know the things there, you know. Alright. Put in that one then. Logbook. Alright, back up. Bridget, tell me something open the logbook and ready to go across the state. Well, I'm going to link him. Alright, me and my coat, you know one thing? Yeah, that, hold on, I don't brush my teeth from man. But me just, anyway. So me look up on here, I can brush my teeth. Going at the truck stop. Brush my teeth and thing and... Yeah, see it? You don't know there's something staying in there, you see me? You want to fresh up and cleanse you up and you can't talk to people and people think that Alright, I'm going to link up Sharpman, that's what Sharpman do. But I go there for link Sharpman, I go Sharpman drive after that. I go few there now. You see me? Time to go across the state actually, you see? Yeah, take up my gas card them. Ear miles on my gas card.